We are now at the Breccia d'Arcalis, at the kilometer number 35. We have come from Coma d'Arcalis down there. Now we are going to descend this side of the mountain towards Angonella, a great place with 3 splendid and beautiful lakes. Again, amazing landscapes and view. I have to say one more time that we have an incredible and wonderful country. Come on! We have passed a section relatively gentle between Bordes dels Prats Nous and Pla de l'Estany. This is a very humid zone. What is important to know is that here we have a big refreshment point where we can eat, hydrate and refuel our energy to confront the 850 meters of elevation gain that we are going to do during the 2 next kilometers of the climb until we reach the holy mountain, the peak of Coma Pedrosa. Come now, let's do it! We did it! We are at the holy mountain, the peak of Coma Pedrosa, kilometer number 47 of Ronda del Cims. We have come from Pla de l'Estany and we are enjoying the beauty we have. We are going to descend to Estany Negre, the black lake, which is white actually, then to Refugi Coma Pedrosa, and we continue the party. We are here delighted as much as it is possible. Well, Raoul, I'm grateful for your company and I will see you soon for new adventures. See you. Ciao. Hi, I'm here again at Refugi Coma Pedrosa, kilometer 50. We have come from up there, the highest point, at 2,942 meters. We are going up towards Collada San Fons before going ahead of this incredible journey that is the Ronda del Cims. I catch the moment to introduce Marc Charpey, a good friend and boss of the region, and he's preparing the 7th edition. He has done all of them, so he knows perfectly the travel. Marc, do we continue together? Okay, come on, Marc. We are now at Collada de San Fons. We have come from Refugi Coma Pedrosa. We are going to do a descent relatively smooth of the first path, and later we are going to go through all the crest that we can see until Port de Cabús, and then go to Col de la Botella directly, that we can also see at the background. When going on the crest, we will have Spain on the right-hand side and Andorra on the left-hand side. It's going to be a very enjoyable run. Let's go. We reach it. We are at Port de Cabús. Now we are going to Setúria, that is at 1,850 meters, and we are going hike up through the sky slope until Col de la Botella. Well, Marc, I'm going to continue. See you soon. Bye.